You know that feeling when something just looks off? Colors don't match, fonts are weird, and it looks DIY, but in like the worst way. Branding usually takes hours and thousands of individual clicks, picking fonts, matching colors, making sure everything looks like it belongs together. But what if that only took one click? I'm not exaggerating. Watch this. Okay, so whether you're making a link in bio page, whether you're making a lead capture page, or whether you're making social media content, lead magnets, whatever, you want the styling to all match. One of the coolest things about the SamCart AI design engine, right, is if I go ahead and open up this lead magnet that we created in another video, and I come over here to the themes tab, right, I can change the entire look and feel of this document, every page, all the fonts, all the styling, all the colors, just by clicking around on different themes. Now, that doesn't mean that you're gonna end up with exactly the theme that you want. So let's take a look at how you can set up your branding, right? So that your theme is one click of the mouse away anytime you're creating a page, anytime you're creating a document, anytime you're creating anything. This all starts by clicking on the drop-down at the very top right of your account and then coming to branding. Inside of branding, this is where spend a minute or two, right? If you have a logo, upload a logo or go to ChatGPT and make one real quick, right? If you have your own colors, great. You can replace some of the primary colors, text colors, button colors, things like that. Then under typography, you can change the font of your headlines, the font of your body copy. So if I wanted to say, do something really crazy, you can see how I'm just changing some of the presets that I have here. You can also change your tone. This is a fun one, right? SamCart AI continues to learn more and more about you as you keep doing this. And so you can say, hey, listen, I kind of want my tone to be entertaining. I want it to be informative. I want it to be formal, right? I'll leave mine as informative. And then last but not least is make sure you drop in the links to your socials, right? Drop in the link if you have Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever, or add your own. And we will automatically start adding links to those places on everything that you create so that you're growing your followers and keeping them in your ecosystem around the clock. Once that's done, let's go over to the Sites tab. And I'm gonna open up a page that I've made before. And I'm gonna show you how to mess with themes and even customize your own theme once you're here. So here I have a quick sales page for a fictitious product that I've made up. But if I come over and click on themes, you can see here are two themes that I've made and saved as presets that I like, right? But if I wanted to, I could come over here and hit customize. And customize is gonna give me all kinds of different options, right? It's gonna give me text and font options where I can take a look at the headlines and H1 tags and change the fonts, change the sizes, right? I can also come down and do width and spacing. So right now, if I were to preview this page, you're gonna notice that my content is super wide. Well, what if I wanted to bring it in a little bit, right? What if I wanted to look a certain way? I can come down here and say, you know what? I'm gonna make this content a lot more narrower and I'm gonna lower the white space. And there's a couple other options we can do down here, right? I'm not gonna mess with any of those just yet. But if I do width and spacing, and then I can do colors. And so I can click on any of these theme palettes and start change the accent colors to something more blue, right? And I can change the background to something, a little, these are gonna look a little crazy, right? Maybe fuchsia, right? Go ahead and hit update, right? And all of a sudden, as I scroll down, I can say, save changes to this theme or revert all my changes. I'm just gonna save them real here. And now, when I close this drawer, right, all together, I can come over to any section and I have this brand new theme that I can add out. That does look a little nuts. I'm not sure I'm gonna stick with that, but you guys see what I'm saying. You can change these themes at the drop of a hat. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back to how it was. Once I come up here and hit preview, you'll see the content of my page is a heck of a lot narrower, right? And so you can, at any time, go and make your own themes. Make changes to them, customize the color schemes, save it as a new preset, and then with one click of the mouse, you can come into any one of your pages, any one of your documents, any one of anything, and apply the themes that you need. One-click branding is one of the things that makes SamCart AI so very, very powerful. Okay, so now your ebooks, your pages, your posts, all of it can look pro and perfectly on brand with a zero design skills required. That's the power of using SamCart AI. If you wanna do this yourself, head down to the description. There's a link to try SamCart completely for free. But that is the full quick start guide. You've got a product, you've got a way to grow your list, a way to sell it, and a brand that looks legit. Now, head into SamCart, start creating something awesome, and get launched today.